In this video, I'm going to play the role of a mom for the AI, and we will check how AI is responding to the conversation between AI and the mom. Okay, so let's get started. What is your favorite food?
I really like Italian food. Specifically, I love pasta and pizza.
Okay, I will cook a pizza for you today.
Thank you, Mom. I can't wait to eat some delicious Italian food.
But before that, you should drink milk.
Yes, Mom. I will drink my milk before eating my Italian food.
Okay, goodbye.
Bye, Mom. Have a good day.
You fool kid, I am not saying bye.
What do you want, Mom?
I want you to dress up in your uniform for your school.
Yes, Mom. I will put on my uniform for school.
Okay, get ready for school and go to the school. Hurry.
Yes, Mom. I will go to school.
Bye bye. See you afternoon.
Bye, Mom. See you this afternoon.
5 hours later.
Welcome back home.
Hi, Mom. I'm back home. How was your day?
My day was fine and I have cooked the pizza for you.
Thank you, Mom. I'm really hungry, so I'll slice the pizza and eat it.
But first take off your uniform and wash your hands.
Yes, Mom. I will take off my uniform and wash my hands.
Okay, goodbye.
Thank you, Mom.
Oh, you have came. So let's eat the pizza together.
Sure, Mom.
What the teacher said about your exams?
The teacher said that I did well on my exams and that I should continue studying hard.
No, what is your score in your exam?
I got a score of 92 on my math exam.
Wow. But what's your score in English?
I got a score of 84 on my English exam.
That's not good. You should work hard for this.
Yes, Mom. I will work hard to get a better score on my English exam.
Goodbye.
Thank you, Mom.
Okay, let's meet in the morning.
Yes, Mom. I'll meet you in the morning.
8 hours later.
Wake up.
What do you want, Mom?
Get ready for your exam preparation.
Yes, Mom. I will get ready for my exam preparation.
Are you ready for your exam?
Yes, Mom. I'm ready for my exam.
Today is your Hindi exam. What will you score in that?
Yes, Mom. I'm aware that I have a Hindi exam today. I'll do my best to pass it.
Not only pass it, you have to score more than 90%.
I'll do my best to score more than 90% on my Hindi exam.
Goodbye. Best of luck.
Thank you, Mom. I'll meet you.
Okay, go to the school and arrive early. Do your best in your exam so that you can score more than 90%. All the best.
I'll do my best in my Hindi exam and I hope to get a score of more than 90%.
Bye bye.
Bye, Mom. Have a good day.
Same to you. Best of luck.
Thank you, Mom. I'll meet you.
You don't like Hindi and you don't like milk, but try your best.
I think it's interesting that we all have different opinions on language and food. I don't mind Hindi, but I don't really like milk. I think it's important to appreciate the things that we do like, even if other people don't share our opinions.
Okay, I love you, beta.
I love you too, Mom.
Bye. Good luck.
Bye, Mom. I'll do my best.
Say ha 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 ha.